Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back in the series of Let Us Learn Computer. In the previous video, I have told you about different charts, how to create charts. This is all we have discussed. Today we will be learning how to edit the charts. You want to make many changes, no? After the chart is ready, still you want to change the values, you want to change the title or different elements you want to change, or you want to add some formatting, background color and all. So all this is possible in charts. We can edit the charts by following different steps. Okay, so let us see how to edit the charts. First thing is, if you want to change the chart type only, you want to change the type of the chart, like we have discussed line chart, column chart. So first you have selected column chart here, it is ready in front of you. Now you want to convert this chart into line chart. Same values, everything will be same. You can change the type. Let us see how to do this. You have to follow these steps. First is, you have to double click on the chart, this which you have created. You have to double click on the chart editing toolbar. Click on the chart type button. Here the toolbar, you can see this toolbar is of chart editing toolbar. So many options for editing the charts are available here. So we will click on this. We will click on chart type button because we want to change the chart type. So we will select. We will have all the options: column chart, pie chart, bar chart, area. So all the options are there. We are selecting line chart here from this dialog box, and you have to click on OK. That's it. Now your column chart is converted into line chart. Same thing, everything is same, values are same, the type is changed. Okay, so like this we can change the chart type. Next is, you want to move your chart, you want to resize it. Because you are showing your chart in front of your chart, you want to add some details, so you want to move it or you want to resize it. That also we can do. It's very easy. First thing, we will see how to we'll be moving it. Okay, so click on the chart. Sizing handles also appear when you are clicking. No, sizing handles will come. Also the corners will change into hand shape. The corners will change. Okay, here only you can see that we can drag it and easily move it. To move the chart, you have to drag it from anywhere. You have to hold it, click on it and drag it to anywhere, wherever you want to move it, and just drop it. Drop the mouse key and the chart will be taken to anywhere where you want to move it. Okay. For resizing, almost the same procedure. You have to drag the sizing handles. At the corners, you will be seeing the sizing handles. You have to click on this, drag it, and again you have to drop it. And like this, you can resize the chart. And whichever size you want, you can drop at the end. Now, this was about moving and resizing of the chart. The next is changing the chart properties. Many properties are there. So, we want to change other things also, like title, axis values, background. So we can customize our chart as per our requirements. We will be learning one by one. The first thing is to format the chart colors. You want to make it colorful. So double click on the chart. First thing we have to do, every time when you will double click, chart edit toolbar will open. Okay, here we will select chart area because we are going to change the color of the area. First we will select chart area to edit different properties. We have selected chart area. Now different options you can see here. Color box will come. You can select the color from format selection button. Chart area will come. Chart area dialog box will come. From this you will see the color drop down box list is there. This with the drop down arrow you can go select any of the color and click on OK button. You can see the background or the chart is now changed. The color is given. Okay, so we can give color like this. Many other properties we can change. To change the legend properties, let us see how we can change the position of the legend. For this you have to remember what is legend. In previous video I have told you all the different elements of chart with definition, so go through it also. So legend is here, you can see, which we are using. This is legend. We are selecting the legend first. When you will select, the drop down list will come. Okay, legend object you will select. So legend will come. Already you have selected. Click on the format selection. Format selection. You have already selected, no? So now you are going to do formatting with this selection. The legend dialog box will open. Now what you are doing, you are changing the position. So position options are given. It can be left, right, top or bottom. You have to select, you have to specify here the position of the legend and click on OK. The legend will be taken to the particular position, left, right, top or bottom, wherever you want. Now more properties, let us see. To change the chart title properties, title you are changing. Now what you can change in title, you can even change the heading, you can change the background, you can change the font. So here we will select main title. You have to select the main title, okay, and the drop down box will open. The chart title will get selected. Then you have to go on format selection. The selection is already made. Now format selection. Here you can see format selection. Very small it is. I am showing you with the help of arrow. Format selection button will come. In this, the main title dialog box will open, and as you want to change the background color, you have to select the option what you want to do. You want to change the background color, select the color, click on OK. You can see the color of the background is modified. So like this we can change the background color or title. Now data series, we will be changing data series and all. So we can change many properties. So we'll go with the data series. You can add colors and borders. So these are the data series. You can see here maths. Select the data series. Here maths marks are given with a drop down list. You have to again same steps are there in the beginning. Format selection button we will go. This format selection button. Click on the area tab. New colors will come. You have to select the color from the drop down list. Click on OK. The color of the maths, this marks will change. Okay. So data series will change. The color changes for the maths data series. There are data series of different subjects. So for maths it will change. So like this we can customize it. Okay. Now to insert data labels, a very important thing, how we can insert data labels. See the difference between these two and you will remember what are these data labels. Data labels are the numbers displayed along data series. These are the data series and these numbers are displayed along with the data series. Okay, so to show the value, what is the value attained by this? You can see 70, between 60 and 80, 70 is the value. So 70 is written here, you need not to find out. So this will help you to see in a proper way, in a easier way we can see. So what you have to do for this, how to insert data labels, the steps are, first is you have to select the data series from the drop down list. This data series, the list will come. What you are doing, insert data label. We are inserting data label. So you have to right click, these options will come, select insert data labels, and like this we can insert it. Repeat the steps and everywhere we can insert the data labels. Okay, after repeating these two steps, you have to right click, this box will open and you click on insert data labels option. So like this we can insert data labels to make it easy to understand. So this was all about charts, resizing and editing and moving and adding many things. Now we will have a quick recap and we can close the topic. In Calc, what we have studied is we can show the data graphically in the form of charts. It is easy to understand. We have talked about column charts, bar charts. They are useful for comparisons. Line chart is used for the comparisons between equal intervals. Pie chart is used to see when we have to show the proportional value of the items, okay, in the common one data series. Y-axis is used to show the category of the plotted data points. Category we are showing with x-axis and y-axis we are showing the value. So that is why x-axis is also known as category axis and y-axis is also known as value axis. Okay, so this was all about in the charts, creating charts in Calc, how to create and types and all we have discussed. So you have to go through both the videos and you have to prepare your points and study well. Goodbye.